how to see who just view your TikTok video. So the first thing you have to do is go to your profile page, then tap on these three lines here, and go to settings and privacy. After that, you want to go to privacy and scroll down until you find post views, and you want to tap on it and turn this on. And for the people who doesn't show this post view settings, is because only people who are 16 years old or older and have fewer than 5,000 followers can access this feature. And you wanna go back to your profile page and click on the post you want to see who just view it. And here, my post is viewed by 9 people. And you wanna click on your lower left, this 9, and here you will find the people that just view your video. And you might ask, why I don't have any account here? And the answer is, because these 9 people who view my video did not turning on the setting we set before, and they are not following me. So the people that will shown here is only for the followers who watch your video and set their setting like us before, or the non-followers who like or comment on your video. And I don't have any of them here, so it doesn't show anything. And keep in mind that this feature only online for 7 days after you upload it. So for example, if you upload it on 7 January, then on 15 January, you will not be able to see it anymore. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.